The Adventure King's 200-watt folding solar blanket kit comes with everything you need to start charging. It's nice and compact, so it's easy to transport, and you can set it up in less than 30 seconds. It makes it easy to have a high output solar setup in any vehicle. First, grab everything out of the front pocket. There's a 4.4 meter lead, a solar regulator, and a pair of alligator clips. Next, undo the Velcro, unfold the blanket, and set it up wherever suits you. On the windscreen, hanging from your roof rack, or just laying flat. And just a note, the 200-watt blanket will heat up with use, so avoid putting it on your bonnet or the roof to avoid damaging the paint. With the blanket set up, use the quick connect plugs to join the 4.4 meter lead onto the panel output like this. If it's a little tight, connect them at a slight angle to help click it in. Run the cable to your battery, then grab the regulator and alligator clips. If you've got a battery box with quick connect plugs, you can connect your regulator directly, making sure you're using the battery icon. If you don't have a battery box or quick connect plugs, then join the alligator clips to the regulator, then connect those to your battery terminals. Either way, make sure you connect to the battery cables on the regulator shown by the battery icon. Then simply connect the cable coming from your solar blanket to the regulator. That's the plug with the solar icon. And if you want to connect your solar blanket to a DC-DC charger, you can connect it directly without using the included regulator. If you wanted to use the optional 10 meter solar extension as well, it goes before the regulator. So it would go the solar blanket, then your 4.4 meter lead, then the 10 meter lead, and then the regulator. And that's it. Your 200-watt blanket is set up, connected, and charging. Too easy.